Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has written a letter to Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on Prajwal Revanna's recent obscene video case. Now, he stated that actions, in fact, warrant the strictest possible punishment. I have the letter open on my screen over here. I request the team upstairs to kindly showcase it to our viewers so that they can also, in fact, see the letter that was written by Rahul Gandhi right here on your screens. This is dated 3rd May 2024. Of course, CM Siddaramaiah has also tweeted about this. He stated that Rahul Gandhi has written a letter to him following this case that has now cropped up. Remember, viewers, that SIT is probing the matter. Prajwal Revanna has been expelled from the JDS as well. Now, Rahul Gandhi has written that I am writing to you regarding the horrific sexual violence unleashed by a sitting member of parliament from Hassan. He has further stated, and I am quoting what is written in the letter as you can see on the screen. Prajwal Revanna sexually assaulted and filmed hundreds of women over several years. Many who looked up to him as a brother and son were brutalized in the most violent manner and robbed of their dignity. The rape of our mothers and sisters warrants the strictest possible punishment. He is also written that he is deeply shocked to learn that as far back as December 2023, Home Minister Amit Shah was informed by Devrajay Gowda about Prajwal Revanna's antecedents, especially his history of sexual violence and the presence of videos filmed by the perpetrators. These are some major charges that are being slung by Rahul Gandhi against Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and he's further stated. Rahul Gandhi has further stated that the deeply perverse nature of these crimes and the absolute impunity enjoyed by Prajwal Revanna with the blessings of the Prime Minister and the Home Ministers deserves the strongest condemnation. So big charges, of course. He's sitting out at the BJP, which is an ally of the JDS as well. He's further stated, in my 2 decades in public life, I've never come across a senior public representative who has constantly chosen silence in the face of untold violence against women. He's raked up the wrestlers in Haryana to what has happened in Manipur as well, and has claimed that Indian women are bearing the brunt of the Prime Minister's tacit support for such criminals. He's further written to CM Siddaramaiah that in the backdrop, the Congress party has a moral duty to fight for justice for our mothers and sisters. I understand that the Karnataka government has constituted a special investigation team to investigate the grave allegations. And a request has been made to the Prime Minister to cancel Prajwal Revanna's diplomatic passport and get him extradited to India at the earliest. Remember, viewers, Prajwal Revanna has fled the country. There were reports that were circulating around that he was in Germany.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.